Are you tired of the clutter in your home or office? Do you need extra space to store your belongings? If so, a self-storage facility might be the perfect solution. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this guide, we'll show you what to look for when selecting a self-storage facility. The first step in choosing a good self-storage facility is to research your options. Search online for facilities in your area. Once you have a list of potential facilities, it's time to visit them in person. This will give you a chance to see the facility for yourself and ask any questions you may have. When you visit a self-storage facility, start by inspecting the exterior of the property. Is the facility well maintained? Are the buildings in good condition? A well-maintained facility is a good sign that the owners care about their property and take pride in their business. Security is another important factor to consider when choosing a self-storage facility. Look for features such as surveillance cameras, gated access, and individual unit alarms. These features can help protect your belongings and give you peace of mind. Climate control is also important, especially if you plan to store items that are sensitive to temperature or humidity. Ask the facility manager about their climate control systems, and check that the units are maintained at a consistent temperature. Before signing a contract with a self-storage facility, make sure you understand the terms and conditions. Look for details such as the length of the lease, the rental rate, and any fees or penalties for late payments or early termination. Finally, pay attention to the staff at the self-storage facility. Are they friendly and helpful? Do they answer your questions in a clear and professional manner? A good staff can make all the difference in your experience with a self-storage facility. By following these tips, you can choose a self-storage facility that meets your needs and provides a secure and convenient storage solution for your belongings. On the lookout for a reliable self-storage facility? Visit Arcos Self-Storage today. We offer a variety of unit sizes to fit your storage needs, from small lockers to large units that can hold the contents of a whole house.